Hi, we're making chicken pot pie mostly, but the cheaper version. We bought the pie crust because they're $2.99 for 2 pie crusts instead of starting from the butter, $5 for the butter alone. And we're gonna cut some apples to make some apple strudel or something like that because they were on sale. And I'm also gonna use some corn flour to make us a topper for the same chicken pot pie, but with corn flour, so kind of like a bit of a, how do you call that? Gluten-free alternative. But that's my South American in me, that I make everything with corn flour, so I have to bring some in here and, you know, get everybody enjoying the corn flour. And that's basically pie in the lower budget sense today.
Perfect. Thank you, Alicia.
You're welcome. Yeah, some people don't like. Oh, I don't mind. It's free advertising for me when I said when I get people to come on over. Look what we cooked. Look what we made. We made all kinds of bread pudding last night.
Well, the thing is, different
Like savory
people have
bread
different
pudding,
levels
it's really cool.
Savory bread pudding. Yeah, I love making. So we made it with instead of ground chicken, we used ground turkey and the same, you know, potatoes. Kind of like making a turkey stew, but then with bread and eggs and vegetable broth instead of milk, and really nice. I love bread pudding. Really cheap way of making amazing meals. Or with apples and cinnamon.
خب امروز اومدیم که براتون فیلم بگیرم. من زیاد نمیتونم امروز کمک بکنم چون دارم فیلم برداری میکنم. امروز 2-3 مدل پای میخوایم براتون درست بکنیم به غذاهای مختلف که آلیشیا قبلش براتون توضیح داد. مرحله منم براتون توضیح میدم، براتون فیلم میگیریم و با هم دیگه میریم جلو تا ببینیم چی میشه. دوستتون دارم.
Using any bulk set up a lot and they never know. So far, she didn't give me, so she doesn't know yet. Which I have to come in here for a wood juice. Because we're going to start making those apples hopefully semi. And we usually basically is the same. Onions, peppers.
Mom, what do I do with this now?
Okay, we need a pot. See if you can find